Have you ever wondered what makes that pop sound when you crack your knuckles? Yes, this video is for you if you want to know. Some people say they are cracking their bones when they do that, but that's not the case. So the pop sound you hear when you crack your knuckles is caused by a burst of bubbles in the synovial fluid in the joints. Now, in our joints, we have a synovial fluid, and that fluid is responsible for lubricating your joints, for easy movement of your joints. So in that synovial fluid, when we stretch our joints, the fluid in that joint causes a release of bubbles, and when those bubbles burst, it leads to that pop sound that you hear. And I know you might be wondering, why can't you crack that same knuckle and hear that pop sound? That's because from studies, it takes 15 to 20 minutes for those bubbles to rebuild in that synovial fluid before you can crack it and you hear that pop sound. So you also might be asking, is it just my fingers that I can hear a pop sound? Of course not. There are other joints in your bodies that you can extend or you can stretch that can also make you hear that pop sound, like your elbow, your neck, your hip, your ankles. You can also hear a pop sound when you stretch those joints around those areas. So cracking your knuckles doesn't have any side effects or doesn't come with any consequences. But when you crack your knuckles and you feel pains, which you're not supposed to do, and there's swelling around the joints in your knuckles or any part of your body, Dr. Knuckle is recommending that you see a doctor for a best line of treatment for you. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.